We are the Aloha Travel Couple and welcome to our van tour. Okay, first things first, I had to point out this pull-out drawer because I built that by myself and I am so proud. Now, as you can see, our van is cleaned and stripped because we shipped it and therefore our build is not 100% done, but it's very close. First, can we just admire how big our shower is? We love it, especially since Alex is like 6 feet tall. And we have never had butcher block countertop before, but we are obsessed. I love the aesthetic. And yes, our sink is already cut out and installed underneath, and that's just the cover for it. All of our upper cabinets have magnets inside so that it won't just fling open. And check out our garage. It is so big. I love it. Our bed platform is raised a little higher than normal so that we have extra space. So here we only have one upper cabinet just so we could have some headspace, and that peekaboo area is going to be for our fridge. So here's a backside view so you can really see how big the garage is, and even I can fit inside of it.